Hi guys, welcome back to another exciting episode of our channel. Today in this video I am going to show you whenever you try to open the Red Dead Redemption 2, you face this unknown error followed by multiple F. But don't worry, I am here to solve your problem. So without any further ado, let's fix this problem. First of all, if you have any external sound devices like microphone or speaker, simply unplug it from your PC and then plug it. It will solve your problem. If this doesn't solve your problem, then simply click on the start button. Here simply click on setting. Once the setting open, then simply click on window update. If any kind of window updates are pending, then simply update it. Next, if you have any video graphic card, then simply copy the link from the description and then simply paste this link in your browser. Here simply choose your driver and then simply download it. And for those who have NVIDIA graphic card, then simply copy the second link from the description. Simply open a new tab, paste the link and simply hit enter and wait for the website to load. Once the website load, then simply download the driver and install it, and it will solve your problem. Next, download this folder. Don't worry, you will get the link in the description box. Then simply right click on it. Here click on show more property, then simply extract it here. Once the file extracted, then simply double click on the folder. Here click on DirectX offline, then simply scroll down and here you will find DX setup. Then simply double click on it. Here click on yes. Here accept the agreement. Again click on next and wait for the installation process. Once the installation complete, then simply click on finish. Now open the game, you will don't see the error. If this video helped you, then make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.